Chapter 7, Introduction of Viruses. Viruses are a group of biological entities that infect every type of cell that includes bacteria, algae, fungi, protozoa, plants, and animals. Viruses are positive too, not just negative. They share the way the cell's tissues, bacteria, plants, and animals look. Today, viruses are not just the agent of disease. 2. Bacteria. Types of bacteria. Spherical, rod-shaped, spiral. Examples would be E. coli and Salmonella. One of the viruses are called bacteria. Bacteria are known as single-celled. These can survive on their own or in or outside of the body. Some types of bacteria are spherical. These are shaped like a ball and are called cocci. Singled bacterium is coccus. An example would be Streptococcus group, which is responsible for strep throat. Rod shape known as fungi. The last type is spiral known as spirola. Okay, E. coli. E. coli bind the environment in foods and intestines of humans and animals. This can cause severe bloody diarrhea, which nobody wants. Okay. Salmonella, same thing, kind of like E. coli, caused by contaminated food or water. Salmonella is diarrhea infection. Norovirus, eating contaminated food and water, touching hand to mouth after you touch the contaminated surface, non-bloody diarrhea, vomiting, and stomach pain. Most common cause of gastritis. Okay, algae. Chlorovirus examples would be, I'm not going to say these right, Euphilax, Fucus, Propria, Spirogyra, Phycophage. Algae largest virus genomes. Chlorovirus infects freshwater algae. I know I'm not going to say this right, but the Euphilax generally found in freshwater and marine water. It thrives in low temperatures of the spring and summer. Fucus, brown algae found in zones of rocky seashores. Porphyria, cold water seaweed. This grows in cold and shallow seawater. This sporangium, green algae of the, I don't know if this is right, xenometes. Helical or spiral arrangements of chloroplasts found in freshwater habitats. And then this one, a virus that infects seaweed. That is interesting because I never knew seaweed can be infected. Okay. Fungi. Okay. Cannabis. And then pneumonia. That's some new major fungal groups. I can see these right. Basimonocoda, Trimonocoda, and then Zygomonocoda. I don't see these right. Fungi, microvirus are present in the fungal kingdom. And then we got the first one, Cannabis is a yeast that can be found on skin in the intestine tract, lives on skin and inside the body, like the mouth, throat, gut. Basically, a yeast infection, which is kind of interesting because I personally didn't know that. Okay. Pneumonia. This is a serious infection caused by fungus. Pneumonitis. Fungi are more complicated than viruses and bacteria. Okay. And then we got a fungi commonly known as Saccharium. And then we got this one, which is some of these produce deadly toxins. Copages, endorphins cause severe respiratory illness. And we got the C infects algae, erythronic and protonic microbes. And then we got that one. Lives in soil or decaying plants or animals. Material to organisms that cause human sickness. The cause most of the illnesses. Okay, so it's called I didn't put this on there, but calling gum. I guess that found in the digestive tract system of larger herbivores. Thought I put it on there. Algae. Wait. Okay. That was one-click microbe. We got worm, bacteriophage, quiet viruses. Microbes are a part of viruses. Virus is the sequence of the complement of the viruses that live on or in an organism. Bacteriophage infection. Bacteria that is part of our microbiome. An example would be phage laboma of E. coli, the medical research we use or health professionals use. We're only concerned about viruses that cause disease like rabies and influenza. I didn't know there was such thing as a quiet virus. These are quiet but become pathogenic here and there. An example would be herpesvirus. Like, people who are infected don't know they have it, so it's like, as it says, quiet, which I didn't know that. I always thought like it was just signs, but it does not. Properties of viruses. Okay. Here are some properties of viruses. Aren't cells. Has either DNA or RNA, but can not have both. Commonly lacks enzymes of the majority of metabolic processes. Lacks part of making proteins. Viruses are everywhere in the environment, has a major impact on any growing biological life.